Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to recover old lost account in Clash Royale. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To recover your old lost account in Clash Royale, start by opening the game on your device. Tap the three lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Then go to Settings and select Help and Support. From there, tap on Account and then select Recover Your Account. After that, tap the link that says I have lost access to my account, and you'll be taken to Clash Royale's official support page. If your account was already connected to a Supercell ID, you can easily log in directly. But if it wasn't connected, you'll need to reach this page manually. Once you're here, gather all the required information related to your lost account and click the message icon at the top right corner. Here, click on this Leave a Message option and comment. This will open the support chatbot. Here, select Account and access Supercell ID, then tap on Recover Your Account. After that, choose Different Game Account. A form will appear asking for details like your player name, clan name, level, and other identifying info. Fill out the form as accurately as possible and submit it. The Supercell team will review your request and help you recover your lost Clash Royale account. And that's it. So that's basically how you can recover old lost account in Clash Royale. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.